1667.65 is a low made. Okay, so market closed in a downtrend today. You can see there was no uptrend. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading setup. We'll be discussing about the Nifty 50 analysis, and also I'll be telling you one stock which you can observe for tomorrow's for trading. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch the video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join our course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, firstly now let's talk about how the Nifty 50 performed today. That is how the market performed today. Okay, so guys, if you guys can see today, the market has made a high of almost, let's say, 15,755. So that's where it's opened, and it didn't go above that. And low made is almost like 15,667.65 is a low made. Okay, so market closed in a downtrend today. You can see there was no uptrend, so the market is in a sideways, if you guys can see today. Okay, so not much of a movement. And now let's see how the SGX Nifty has performed. Okay, so the SGX Nifty has made a high of almost 15,793 today, and now it's trading somewhere around 15,748. But our Nifty 50, the Indian market, is now down below 15,700 and closed at almost like 15,693. So now let's see how the market will be for tomorrow. It was a very sideways today, so tomorrow hoping the market should go up, because you can see even now the SGX Nifty is trading above 15,700. So hopefully tomorrow we can see above 15,700 in our Nifty 50 also. Okay, so this is how the market has performed today. It was a sideways, but yeah, tomorrow I'm hoping that at least above 15,700 the Nifty 50 should trade, and at least should go till 15,750 is my view. Okay, so this is about Nifty 50. Now let me tell you the stock which you can observe for tomorrow. So the stock which you can observe for tomorrow will be Tata Steel. So guys, keep in mind that this video is only for educational purpose, so you can observe this stock. Okay, so now let's see the today's range what the Tata Steel has been traded. So today the Tata Steel has made a high of almost 1176.5 and made a low of 1157. Okay, so this was in the first 15 minutes candle. So yeah, not much of a movement today, but tomorrow you can observe this level. This will be some important levels, and 1170 will also be an important level. Okay, so now what you have to observe for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, tomorrow so let's say, yeah, so this will be that. Yeah, so now what you have to observe is, let's say that tomorrow the Tata Motors is opening above somewhere. If it's opening a gap up, then if it's going above 175, then you can buy it. Or let's say it's opening somewhere around here, so that time you guys have to wait for the breakout to happen, that is above 176 only you need to buy. Or if it's take a support somewhere over here near 170, then you can buy it and keep a target up to 176. And if 176 breaks, then you can keep a target up to 182, that is 1182. Okay, and now let's say it's opening somewhere below, and if it touches the support line of 1157, then if it's taking a good retracement near the 1157, then you can buy it above 1158 and keep a target up to 1170. If in case if this support gets broken, then you can do a short sell at 1155. Okay, and keep up to 0.5% target. So according to the market, you can perform. If the market is in a bullish way, then look for a buy opportunity in a Tata Steel in the levels what I said. So simple. If you're not aware of observing the support and resistance level, I can simply tell you, if the stock is going above 176, then buy it. Or if the stock is performing below 1168, okay, if the stock is going above 1176, then buy. And if it's performing below 1168, then short sell and keep a target up to 1155. Okay, so this will be a stock what you can observe for tomorrow, and this is a tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so this is the things what you need to observe. So guys, this is an update for tomorrow. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.